if you want to duplicate folders on Google Drive, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So basically go ahead and open up your Google Drive and let's select the file that we want to duplicate. Let's have example the spreadsheet for myself, right? And I want to duplicate that folder on Google Drive, right? If you want to duplicate with the files inside, like with many documents in there, unfortunately you won't be able to actually do it exactly, like duplicate the whole file and inside the folder as well, right? So what you're gonna do, you could just go ahead and click the plus button at the bottom right here. This is another option. Create a folder with the same name, right? Spreadsheet. And if you want to make a new unique name, you could just do that. In my case, I'm gonna name it spreadsheet, right? And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and hold the file right here, and I can just click right here the move icon, or select the destination icon right here at the top right. I'm gonna be able to see it. Click my drive, and then I'm gonna be able to add the spreadsheet duplicate file inside the folder right here. I can move it in here, or I can move within the file, like I send a copy. So I'm gonna go ahead to the original file for spreadsheet, click the three dots, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and send a copy. Click send a copy. And I'm gonna go ahead to the same app, Google Drive, and I'm gonna just go, right, wait for a few moments right here, because preparing to export, and then select right here the folder under your email at the bottom, and then click the spreadsheet duplicate and hit save here and upload the file. And as we showed you before, after you upload the file, you will have the identical file, but if you want to name it the same file, you can just do that. But if you want duplicate folders, you're going to be able right here to see this is example A, example B. If you want to move them inside, the original file inside the duplicate file, you can just do that. If you want to move within the file, like all of the documents and videos or photos, you can just go ahead and send a copy, as we showed you a couple seconds ago, and just move it to the new folder. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video I upload. Thank you for watching.